Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Razorpay into your WordPress site. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Razorpay for WooCommerce or Razorpay Payment Gateway. Install the plugin, which usually takes less than 1 minute, and then click Activate to enable its functionality on your website. This initial step is crucial for setting up your payment system. Next, you will need your Razorpay API keys. Log into your Razorpay dashboard, go to Settings, and then API keys. You will find 2 essential keys, the key ID and the key secret. Copy both of these carefully. Return to your WordPress dashboard, find the newly installed Razorpay plugin settings, and paste these keys into the designated fields. This securely links your WordPress site to your Razorpay account. Now, let's configure the payment gateway. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and finally click on the Payments tab. Locate Razorpay in the list of available payment gateways and ensure it is enabled. You can also customize the title and description that customers will see on your checkout page, making it clear and user-friendly. This step ensures Razorpay appears as a payment option. Finally, it is vital to test your setup thoroughly. Before going live, perform a test transaction using Razorpay's test mode. This allows you to simulate a payment without actual money changing hands, ensuring everything works as expected. Once you confirm successful transactions, switch your Razorpay settings from test mode to live mode. Your WordPress site is now ready to accept real payments securely through Razorpay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.